Hey guys, I'm Ethan Moore from Stockroom Supply, and today I'm going to show you how to use this piece of wood to make this stacking rainbow toy for kids. Now this is one I made for my kids many years ago and it's getting pretty beat up, but it's a really simple thing to make, and I'm going to use the bandsaw as well as our simple circle cutter to do that. Now on the simple circle cutter, if you look at this piece of wood right here, we have a pivot point right there. I have put a small little hole right in the bottom of my board here. So this board is a little over 14 by 7. So the outside diameter ring I'm going to cut in my rainbow is going to be 14 inches all the way around here. So basically I'm going to cut a whole bunch of half circles. So you just got to put your pivot point hole right in the center of your board, but right as close to the bottom as you can. So let me put that in the hole here. Okay, so once you have that installed, I have the blade set at the number 4, and I want to make a 14-inch diameter circle. So I'm going to put my piece of wood, or the pivot point, in the number 10 hole here. Because 10 plus 4 equals 14 inches, if you didn't know that. And I can go ahead and cut. Now, before I cut, I just want to quickly talk about the blade I'm using. So this is a 3/8 blade, 6 teeth per inch. So it's a little bit finer than I would use normally, but the reason I chose a finer blade is because I'm going to cut this quite slow. Because I want this cut to be as smooth as possible, so I have to do as little sanding as possible at the end here. So I think we're ready to cut. So I got my stop set here, so I'm going to go into my stop, right like that, and I'm going to pivot this board around. One cut, so back that up, and now I'm going to remove that, and you see the number 8, so I'm going to go one hole smaller, and that's going to make my first ring. Slide that in, and we're ready to go. And we'll just do the same thing. There we go. So once I remove that little center point, we'll stack that rainbow up. And then when you give this a really quick sand here, like with the sanding mop, it's not going to take much to finish that, but there you have a beautiful little stacking toy for your grandkids or kids, and it's really very, very simple to make. The other things to consider when you're making a toy like this is just consider the wood that you're using. You're going to want a food grade or a food safe wood, because kids will end up putting this in their mouths, I'm sure, and all those things. But yeah, it doesn't take a lot. And you don't have to use our simple circle cutter to make something like this. You could have a home-built jig or a different brand. But with our simple circle cutter, being able to move that pivot point just along those different holes makes it incredibly easy to make little projects like this. So yeah, if anybody else has any questions, you can email me at info@stockroomsupply.com or just comment on the video. Thanks for watching.